So in progressions, we have done basic problems of AP. We'll continue with the exercise problems. When they ask you to find three numbers, you have to take a minus d, a plus d. Then problem becomes simplified. And very interesting here, we have a minus d into a plus d. All of you know a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So next, if you take three terms and add, you should get 12. That's it. Welcome to the session, dear students. So now I'll go ahead with the progressions chapter. So in progressions, we have done basic problems of AP. We'll continue with the exercise problems. So now exercise 5.1, we do 3 mark questions now. So 1 and 2 mark questions I've covered. Now in this session, I'm going ahead with what? 3 markers of the exercise 5.1. The sum of 3 numbers in AP is 15 and the product is 105. Find the numbers. Find the numbers. The solution, the first basic is, you should take the 3 numbers as a minus d, a plus d. When they ask you to find 3 numbers, 3 consecutive terms in AP are this is the logic of the problem, a minus d, a comma a plus d be the 3 numbers. These are the 3 numbers. A minus d, a plus d be the 3 numbers. Be the 3 numbers in AP. This is the basic. When they ask you to find 3 numbers, you have to take a minus d, a plus d. Then problem becomes simplified. See, for a minus d, if I add d, common difference, I will get a. For a, if I add d, it will become a plus d. They are in AP. When can you say terms are in AP? They should have common difference. So difference between each term is d. For every term you add d, you will get next term. A minus d plus d is a. A plus d is a plus d. So 3 numbers in AP, if they ask, you have to take what? A minus d, a and a plus d. A minus d, a plus d are the 3 terms in AP. That is a basic. Now what is given? They given the sum is 15. A minus d plus a plus d is what? 15. Sum is 15. Now you know minus d plus d cancels. A plus a is 3a. Minus d and plus d cancels. So 3a is equal to what? 15. From this you can find the value of what? A. So from this you can find the value of a. So now we have 3a is 15. So 3a is equal to 15. Therefore, a becomes how much? 15 by 3. And a is what? 5. 3 ones are 3 5s are. You got a. After you get a, you need d. To get d, they give another hint. What is the hint? Their product is 105. Product of these 3 numbers is 105. So product is 105 means a minus d into a plus d is 105. Observe, you know a value, substitute it. And very interesting, here we have a minus d into a plus d. All of you know a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So a minus d into a plus d, I'll write this and this. If I multiply, I'll get a square minus d square into a is equal to 105. Now I'll substitute the value of a. So what is value of a? 5. 5 square minus d square into 5 is equal to 105. Now further simplify. So 5 square minus d square is equal to 105. This into 5. So this is into 5. Into 5, if you transfer this side, it will become divided by 5. So now if you divide it by 5, 5 2s are 5 1s are, it will be 21. 5 square, you know 25. 25 minus d square is this. So transfer the term to that side. So minus d square is equal to 21 minus 25. So minus d square is equal to minus 4. So d minus cancels. So d square is equal to plus 4. D is plus or minus 2. Plus or minus 2. Any one you take sufficient. You'll get, I'll take a is equal to d is equal to 2. Now the terms are, what are the terms? A minus d, a plus d. And you know the value of a. What is the value of a? You got 5. So 5 minus D, 5 minus 2, 5, 5 plus 2. That is 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 plus 5 and 5 plus 2 is 7. So therefore 3, 5, 7 are the terms. In AP. 3 terms are in AP. Find 3 numbers. What are the 3 numbers? 3, 5, 7. I hope all of you got it. So they want you to find 3 numbers. Assume 3 numbers as A minus D, A plus D. And they told sum is 15. So add them. A minus D plus A plus D is 15. Minus D plus D cancels. A plus A, 3A is 15. So 3A is 15 means A becomes 15 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 5s are A, you got 5. Then product is 105. They told product means A minus D into A plus D is 105. And A, I'll write it at the end. You know, A minus D into A plus D is A square minus D square. You know, A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. Same way, A minus D into A plus D, I can write A square minus D square into A is 105. And now you put the value of A. Value of A, you got 5. In the place of A, I put 5. 5 square. 5 square is 25. 25 minus D square is 21. Solve it. D square will be 4. D is plus or minus 2. You take plus 2, you will get this. If you take minus 2, you will get in reverse. You will get 7, 5, 3. That's it. One and the same. Any one common difference is enough. We got 3 numbers they want. We got the answer. So for this question, they wanted you to find 3 numbers. What are the 3 numbers? 3, 5, 7. You can see these are the numbers. This is the answer. And you can check. If you add, you will get 15. And if you multiply, you will get 105. So 7 5 is 35. 35 3 is 105. And 7 plus 5 12. 12 plus 3 15. That's it. Now we'll go to the next question. Sum of 3 numbers in AP is minus 18. Sum of their squares is 140. Find the numbers. So now again they told 3 numbers sum. So what are the 3 numbers? Let the numbers are. What are the numbers we should assume? So when they ask you to find 3 numbers, I told you in last problem, take the numbers as A minus D, A plus D. When they ask you to find numbers, 3 numbers in AP means A minus D, A plus D only you should take. So then D cancels and you will get the unknown. So given sum is, what is given? Their sum is minus 18. So A minus D plus A plus D is minus 18. Now you can cancel the terms. I can cancel minus D plus D. So what is left out? A plus A plus A. What is A plus A plus A? A plus A plus A is 3A. So 3 times A is equal to minus 18. So A is equal to minus 18 by 3. And 3 ones are 3 6 are. So you got the value of A. What is value of A? Minus 6. You got the value of A. And they told sum of their squares is 140. Sum of their squares is 140. So again they gave A minus D whole square plus A square plus A plus D whole square. Sum of their squares. Sum means what? Addition. Squares means whole square. So sum of their squares is 140. So is equal to 140. This is given, I have written. And you know A value. What is A? Minus 6. Put it. So now I'll write minus 6 minus D whole square plus minus 6 whole square plus minus 6 plus D whole square is 140. So now when I substituted, I got the values. So now simplify this. Minus 6 the whole square is plus 36. Minus 6 minus D the whole square, let it be. Plus, I'll write this also. I'll rewrite. Can I write D minus 6 the whole square ulta? Minus 6 plus D, D minus 6 the whole square. Plus remaining minus 6 the whole square. Minus the whole square is plus 6 square is 36 is equal to 140. And transfer this 36 also to RHS. So in this 2 minus is common. I'll take minus 6 plus D. It will become whole square will be for both. Dear students, in these two, we have both the terms are with minus. So I'll take minus out. So it will become positive 6. It will become positive D. And then let this be D minus 6 the whole square. 140 minus 36. Now further, minus the whole square becomes plus. So 6 plus D the whole square plus D minus 6 the whole square. So 140 minus 36. 140 minus 36, that is 104. Now further simplify this, expand this, we'll get a quadratic equation. We need to solve this. So a plus b the whole square, 6 square plus d square plus 2 6 are 12d plus d square plus 6 square minus 12d is equal to 104. So now you know minus 12d plus 12d cancel, 6 square plus 6 square 36 plus d square is 2d square, 2 times d square plus 36 is 104. So that is 2 times d square is equal to plus 30 30 60 72 is equal to 104. Simplify, so 2d square is equal to 104 minus 72. Now 2d square. So now we got this. From here we'll continue. 2d square is equal to 104 minus 72. So 2d square is equal to 32. And d square we need. D square is 32 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 16s are. So d square is 16. So that implies d is plus or minus root 16. D is plus or minus 4. So d is plus or minus 4. You can take two values. You take any one. Positive value is better always. I'll take d as 4. Now d we got 4 and a already we got. What is a? Minus 6. The numbers are a minus d, a plus d. That is minus 6 minus 4 comma minus 6 plus 4. So minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10, minus 6 minus 2. So therefore the numbers are minus 2 minus 6 minus 10. So these are in AP. 3 numbers in AP. So minus 10 minus 6 minus 2 we can write. What are the numbers? Minus 6 minus 2 minus 10. So common difference is 4. You can write in reverse. So that is smaller number to higher number. That is start from minus 10, then minus 6, minus 2. Add 4. Minus 10 plus 4 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. These are the numbers. I hope all of you understood this. Then find 3 numbers again, which all are in AP, whose sum is 12. And sum of their cubes is 408. Sorry. So therefore, what are the numbers? A minus d, a plus d are the numbers. These are the numbers. Now given, what is given? Sum. Sum is what? A minus d plus a plus d is how much they give? 12. So minus d plus d cancel. So 3a is 12. So a is 12 by 3. A is 4. So you got a 4. So I told sum of the cubes. What is sum of the cubes given? Sum of the cubes means a minus d the whole cube. Sum of the cubes, right? They gave, yeah, sum of their cubes. A minus d the whole cube, a cube, a plus d the whole cube is given. How much is given? 408. So now you got a value also. What is a? 4. So 4 minus d the whole cube, 4 cube, and a plus d the whole cube is 408. So now 4 cube you transfer that side. So 4 minus d the whole cube plus a plus d the whole cube. Sorry, 4. The a place you put 4. In the place of a, put 4. (408) minus 4 cube. 4 cube is what? 4 4 the 16, 4 the 64. So subtract 64, 4. 10 minus 6 gives you 344. 344. 4 minus d the whole cube plus 4 plus d the whole cube gives you 344. Now your task is to solve the cubes or do inspection. Start with the common difference as 1. If I take common difference as 1, here only we can understand 4 5 6 agutte. 4 5 6 add madre 4 will not get 12. 4 plus 5. What is 4 plus 5? 9. 9 plus 1. 9, 4, 5, 6. So 15 agutte. We need less than that. So I'll try with minus 1. So see here, dear students, a we got 4. So next if you take 3 terms and add, you should get 12. That's it. So if I take 5, common difference 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 5 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 4 exceeds. Minus 1 if I take 4 3 2 4 3 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 4 plus 3 7 7 plus 2 9. So if I take, so we have to do inspection to get the answer. So now this equation should be satisfied by differences. So I'll take the common difference value, or you can expand it or do trial and error. So common difference cannot be 0. Why? Because they are in AP. So 3 different terms we took. So if I take 1 as the difference, it does not hold the first relation. So 1 togombitre 4 1 less is 4 5 6 you can take, 4 3 2 you can take, 4 3 2 if I take minus 1 togondre 4 3 7 7 plus 2 9 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 4 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 4 minus 1 is 3 4 5 3 4 5 you add 3 plus 4 7 7 plus 5 12. So try with 1. So try d is equal to 1 in equation. 4 minus 1 cube, 4 minus 1 cube into plus 4 plus 1 cube. Does it give RHS or not? We'll see. 3 cube, 5 cube, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 25 into 5, 5 into 5 into 5 5s are 25 5s are 125. It fails. I don't get this 344. So therefore I'll try d as minus 1. I'll try minus 1. So but if I try minus 1, so the terms in AP is some minus 1 tondra, minus 1 tondra. So this is 4, this is 3, this is minus 1 if I take a minus d 3 4 and 3 plus 3 minus 1, a minus of minus d becomes 4 3 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 4 plus 3 7 7 plus 2 9. First term only fails. I took 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 3 4 5 ಆಯಿತು. The sum 3 plus 4 9 plus 3 12. Sum 12 is holding good, but sum of the cubes is not 108. 3 cube 4 cube 5 cube fails. So therefore try. So we tried this but we failed. So you can do inspection, or I am asking you, you can apply a plus b the whole square and a plus b the whole cube and expand it. You will get 3 roots. One of the common difference you can take. So one root failed, the other roots. So we say inspection. Cubic equations can be solved by inspection, or we can cancel the terms. So now d1 1 and minus 1 failed because they are easy to substitute. I have done it. No. d2 if I take, so d if I take 2, 4 minus 2 cube, 4 plus 2 cube, 2 cube is 8, 6 cube, 6 6 are 36, 36 into 6, 6 6 are 36, 3 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3 21, 216. We are near but we don't reach that 344. So d2 fails. I'll try d3. 4 minus 3 cube plus 4 plus 3 cube. 1 cube is 1. 4 7 cube, 7 cube. 7 7s are 49, 49 into 7, 7 9s are 63, 6, 9 4, 7 4s are 30, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 6, 28 plus 6 34, 343. So 1 plus 343 gives you 344. Yes, by inspection I got d3. By inspection I got d3. So therefore by inspection d is equal to 3. Therefore numbers are a minus d, a plus d, right? A you got, what is a you got, dear students? You got a here 4. So 4 minus 3, 4 plus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1, 4, 7. These are the numbers. What are the numbers? 1, 4, 7. So finally we'll write, finally we'll write therefore. So for this answer is what? Therefore 1, 4, are the numbers. So you can see if you add 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1, 12, add, you will get sum of the cubes. 1 cube plus 4 cube plus 7 cube, you add, you should get, or not 8. 1 cube is 1, 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64, 7 cube just now I have done. What is 7 cube? 343. So 343, you add it, you will get definitely 412. 8. So hence it goes out. What are the numbers? 1, 4, 7. 3 numbers means take a minus d, a plus d. And sum of their cubes means simplify till this. You will get equation 1 and you now do inspection. D I tried 1, it failed. Minus 1, it failed. Then I tried 2, failed. Then I tried 3, it becomes success. That's it. So, or you can do a minus b the whole cube expansion also. Next. The elements of an AP are 21, 23, 25 till 348. Find the number of terms and last term. How to find number of terms? They give last term. So, sorry, they give sum of n elements. They give sum. So, please understand what is given. What is given? They have given Sn. Sum of n terms means Sn. Sn is 384. You know the formula for Sn. What is the formula? 2a plus n by 2 into Sn, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is 384. N we don't know, let n be as it is, by 2. 2a, 2 times a means first term. What is the first term here? 21. 2 times 21 plus n we don't know, minus 1 into common difference. So you can find difference. So difference is second term minus first term, that will give you 2 exactly. So 2 is equal to what? 384. So simplify by 2, you transfer that side. So I'll have n is equal to n into 2 into 21 gives you 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 42 plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 384. By 2 you transfer this side, it will come into 2. So n into 42 plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 384 into 2. So 384 into 2 is simply 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 3 6 7 780 768. Now this will become a quadratic equation. You can solve n into 2n, 42 minus 2 is plus 40 is equal to 768. So we have done n into 2n plus 40 is equal to 768. Now we need to solve this quadratic equation. So if you take n into 2n plus 40, n into 2n plus 40 is equal to, what is the value you got? 768. 768. Solve this. So it will become 2n square plus 40n is equal to 768. So both are divisible by 2, divide by 2. So n square plus 20n is equal to, if I divide by 2, 2 3s are, we multiply 2, so it will become 384. That's it. So now factorizing this is little difficult. So in spite of factorizing, you can do the formula method. What is the formula? So n, in spite of x we have n is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus b means minus the quotient of n. What is the quotient of n? 20. So minus 20 plus or minus b square. So 20 square minus 4ac. What is a? 1. What is c? Minus 384. So now multiply this carefully and divide by 2a. 2 into 1. So minus 20 plus or minus root of 400 plus 4 into 4 4s are 16, 1, 4 is a 32 plus 1, 33, 3, and 4 1s, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3, 15, divided by 2. So that is minus 20 plus or minus root of, add this, it will become 1936 divided by 2. So 1936 is a perfect square. If you take calculator, or it will be 44 44s by 2. So now I'll take plus n is equal to minus 20 plus 44 by 2 I'll take. You know 44 minus 20 is 24 by 2. 24 by 2 is what? 12, positive 12. So another term will be negative. Both if you take negative, n number of terms cannot be negative. We got n is equal to 12. So they want, how many terms are there? There are n 12 terms. So therefore 12 terms are there. And they want 12 last term. Last term is t12. t12 is what? A plus n minus 1 into d. That is a is what? What is the first term? 21. So 21 plus 12 minus 1 into d. What is the common difference? So common difference also is given 2. So 2. Simplify this. So 21 plus 11 into 2. 21 plus 22. 21 plus 22, that gives you 43. So we got n value 12 and t12 if you find, what is the t12 value you got? t12 is 43. N is 12 and t12 is 43. So we got both. So I hope all of you understood all the 3 markers. So please sit and practice all these questions. All are important. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.